Hey guys, I'm Abid Thomas from GT, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my setup slash room tour. So let's get started. Hey guys, this is my room. Behind me you can see my room and that room from one side. Okay, and first things is when you go here, I got some place to keep my stuff, and here I got some random books, and this is some random boxes and some iron boxes, and here I got some crafting things, and here I got some perfumes and cosmetics, and here I got some first aid things, and below here I got some random oils and some other boxes right there. And the main magic happens when I turn off this switch over here, which is turns off the main light, and you can see now the room correctly with all the lighting conditions I use for shooting my videos. And I got a table right here which is for some purposes, yeah. And I got a window over here, you can see one window, and I got two fans, one and two, for summer purposes. Yeah, I normally use one fan for sleeping at night. Yeah, and I got my wardrobe here, and on top you can see another light, and also one helicopter box, RC helicopter box. I got one on the other side, and here you can see I got a light for shooting the video. I mainly use this light and the main light over there, and here you can see this is my study table for studying and all stuff. I use this table, and here is the things where the magic happens, my setup. You can see my setup. Okay, let's get into it. And here I got another window right here, and this is my bed, and I got a light there beside the bed. And let's talk about the PC. Okay guys, this is my PC, and you can see I have a YouTube sticker and one AdSense sticker just for that. Okay, and you can see this is my PC where I edit my stuff, videos and something like that. Yeah, I mainly use Filmora for editing. Okay, you can see here Filmora. And this is my laptop. I use this laptop for some editing when traveling, or also for some playing games. Okay, this is an old laptop, and this is the Dell Inspiron 1545 I think, and I upgraded the RAM of this thing. Okay, and this monitor is hooked up to this PC right here on the below. This is an old PC. I'm going to upgrade my PC and laptop very soon. Okay, just and I got some random boxes right there. And this is my keyboard from Acer itself, my Acer keyboard, and this is the Acer mic. I don't have a gaming mouse or gaming keyboard like that. Okay, on the table I got my Samsung Galaxy Tab 3. You can see it's an old one, not a new one. Okay. And I got one speaker right here, and considering my laptop, I hooked my laptop to the speaker, and you can see here. And I got and considering here, I got a UPS for power supply thing, and the UPS is hooked to my PC and my laptop. And on here you can see a red light for gaming experience lighting. Okay, and also for watching movies in the dark. And I got some random diaries right here for making the video ideas when I sit simply. Okay, and on here you can see a drawer where I got some random phones. You can see some random phones, some random watches, Okay, some random watches you can see here. Some random watches. And considering this, I mainly shoot my videos on this camera, the Sony DSC, yeah, TX7. This camera, I shoot my videos mainly on this camera, this digital camera. You can see it has a 10.5 megapixel and it's very good for shooting HD videos. Okay, and also for taking photos. I can see the stabilization of the camera is also very good. Yeah, if you want I'll put a video on this camera. Okay, so if you want, comment below, I'll try to put a video on this topic also. Yeah, and here I got my internet modem router, or maybe what you can call it, yeah, from Geo. And I got some Force watches, yeah, which I use while going out. Yeah, and I got a Sony power bank for charging my devices when traveling or something like that. And I got my Samsung power bank. This is a 50,000 mAh battery. This has a 50,000 mAh battery, and this has a 10,000 mAh battery. Yeah, and I got some random boxes right here, you can see. And on pack I got a RGB lighting thingy. Okay, and I got a headphone, Sony headphone. I put the video on my channel. If you want, you can go and watch the video. And I got a small tripod. Yeah, I didn't buy this from the shop or something like that. Okay, I actually made this thing my own from all. Yeah, I just made it from all things. Yeah, and I got 2 USB and another USB also. And here I got the Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini and my Samsung Galaxy Tab. Okay, that's pretty much all my setup right here. Yes, and I also got a mic behind my PC for screen recording purposes. And also another light there, like the V-shaped light. Yeah, and I got my camera charging hook here. I think you guys can see. Yeah, maybe I turn on my light. Okay, now you can see this is my camera battery charging thingy. And this is my bed where I normally sleep. And you can see here it's a big size bed. Okay, and mainly I use unboxing videos. I do unboxing videos by placing the camera right here and unboxing from here itself. Sometimes I use my table for that purposes. Okay, and considering my PC, I have an old PC. Okay, I'm soon going to be upgrading my PC. Yeah, and I'm another PC. Yeah, I mainly use Switch software, the Filmora, for editing, and it is very simple and easy to edit. I can edit any type of videos, from screen recording videos to another videos, and also GRAD. And that's all in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you're new to my channel, then please mention clicking on the subscribe button below. And if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. And if you doesn't turn on the notification icon, go and click on the bell icon and turn it to all, so you guys won't miss any more beats from this channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And well, I'm Abhi Thomas from Abhi GT, and I'll catch you in the next one.
caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.